Hi there! Welcome to my channel. This is Mrs. A, and in today's video, you're going to learn about factoring polynomials, the special kind of polynomials known as sum and difference of two cubes. So let's get started. Now, before that, let's have a review first about perfect cubes kasi gagamitin natin to sa mga examples natin. 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, so on and so forth. Ito yung mga perfect cubes. Ano ba yung mga perfect cubes? Yun yung mga number na pag minultiply natin ng 3 beses, yun ang mga sagot. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 3 times 3 times 3, 27, and so on and so forth. Now, other way around of asking is, what is the cube root of 1? That's 1. Here. What is the cube root of 8? The answer is 2. Okay, I'm gonna write it here. The answer is 2. What is the cube root of 216? The answer is 6. Okay, please remember that. Now, I have here examples of polynomials, special kind, sum and difference of two cubes. Look at this one. First term, something cube. Second term, something cube. Or known as perfect cube. 27 is a perfect cube and a cube. Which means sum. The operation here is addition. Okay, so how are you going to factor this kind of polynomial? Okay, simulan muna natin sa sum of two cubes. Ilalagay ko dito ang mga perfect cubes para mas madali nyo makita ang sagot at mamememorize nyo. Okay, ngayon, start tayo sa sum of two cubes. Ito yung pattern na ibinigay na isusundin natin kung paano natin i-factor. Ito yung given, a cube plus b cube is equal to, ito naman yung factors. Napansin nyo, ang unang factor natin ay binomial, a plus b, at yung pangalawang factor naman ay trinomial. So, tingnan natin, a squared minus ab plus b squared. Now, ang goal natin ngayon, paano kaya natin makukuha yung value ng a na yan and b? Kasi dito, pag nakuha natin yung value ng a and b, ay parang ang dali na lang gawin. I-squared lang natin dito ang a, i-multiply lang natin yung a and b, at i-square lang natin ang b. Now, let's have an example. We have here x cubed plus y cubed. So, what is the value of a and b? How to get the value of a and b? You ask yourself, what is the cube root of x cubed? Ayan. What is the cube root of x cubed? The answer is x. Kasi, yung x times x times x, tatlong beses i-multiply ang x cubed. And that is the value of a. So, meron na tayong a. Now, the second term naman tayo, y cubed. What is the cube root of y cubed? And the answer is y. And that is the value of b. Now, mas maganda kung i-ready nyo na kaagad yung parenthesis nyo para magpa-plug in na lang kayo ng mga numbers or expression. Now, a, dito sa pattern natin, a plus b. Ang a natin is x, so therefore, this is x. Ang b natin ay y. Ganun ang kadali. Sa second factor na tayo ngayon. Ang sabi dito, sa second factor, ang first term natin is square lang natin yung a. So, ang a natin is x, therefore, x squared. Then, ang middle term natin, take note pala dito sa sign. Dito, nakalagay plus, di ba? So, sa first factor natin, plus din. But, dito sa second factor natin, ang middle term natin ay minus. Pag plus siya dito, minus dito. So, tandaan niyan. So, mas maganda, ilagay nyo na kaagad yung mga sign para ready na kung ilalagay nyo na lang yung mga values. Now, ang second term natin, a, b. It means, multiply lang na daw natin ang a and b. Multiply lang natin yung x and y. And that is xy. And then sa last term naman sa second factor natin, square lang daw natin yung b. Ang b natin ay y, therefore this is y squared. Okay, ganun lang kadali. Medyo mahaba nga lang. So, the factored form of x cubed plus y cubed is equal to the quantity x plus y times the quantity x squared minus xy plus y squared. Let's have another example. Okay, so we have x cubed plus 8. So again, we need to look for a and b. So ang a natin makikita natin pag i-cube root natin yung first term. Ang b naman makikita natin or makukuha natin pag kukunin natin yung cube root ng second term. So sa first term muna tayo. What is the cube root of x cubed? Again, that is x. And what is the cube root of 8? So ayun na yung a natin. Cube root of 8 is 2. And that is now the value of b. So now, we have now value of a and b. We can just plug in here. This is x, and this is 2. A and b. First term, square natin yung a, so that is x squared. Sa second term, multiply na natin yung a and b, so therefore 2 times x, that is 2x. And sa last term naman, square lang natin yung b, so 2 times 2, that is 4. That's the factored form of x cubed plus 8. X cubed plus 8. Quantity x plus 2 times the quantity x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay, let's have another one. 27. What is the cube root of 27a cubed? That is 3a, because the cube root of 27 is 3. And then the cube root of 8 cubed or a cubed is a. And what is the cube root of 64b cubed? That is 4b. Okay, 64, ayun siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, pang-apat siya. Or 4 times 4 times 4. Tatlong beses, and that is 64. So that's what we have for a and b. So here, write it a, this is a, so we have 3a, and this is b, and we have 4b. The first term here is to square the a, and that is 9a squared. Sa middle term naman natin, ay multiply lang natin yung dalawa. 3 times 4, that is 12. Then a, b. Huwag kalimutan yung sign dito sa middle. Di ba naka-ready na yung parenthesis ko, kaya madali na natin maglalagay na lang tayo ng mga numbers. And then the last term is to square the value of b, and that is 16b squared. Because 4 times 4 is 16. So that is now the factored form. 3a, or quantity 3a plus 4b times the quantity 9a squared minus 12ab plus 16b squared. Okay, let's have another one now here. We have 125x cubed plus 216y cubed. So napansin nyo, naka-ready na yung mga parenthesis ko dito at yung mga sign nila. Plus dito, so yung middle natin na sign ay minus. Ngayon, what is the cube root of 125x cubed? That is 5x. And what is the cube root of 216y cubed? That is 6y. So ilalagay na natin ngayon dito. So ngayon, ano yung magiging value natin dito? This is 5x. And this is 6y. Okay, dito naman, square lang daw natin yung a. So, ang a natin ay 5x. So, 5 times 5, 25. Then, x squared. And then, sa gitnang term naman natin, multiply lang natin yung dalawa. So, 30xy. Sorry. Okay, so that is 30 xy. I'm sorry. It's really sorry. I don't have. So we have 30 x, y. So here, that is x. And then sa last term natin, ang gagawin natin dito ay square din natin yung last term. 6 times 6 is 36. And that is y squared. Okay, so may problem ng aking. Now, we have now the factored form. 5x plus 6y times the quantity 25x squared minus 30xy plus 36y squared. Okay? Now, let's have factoring difference of two cubes. So, ang pagkakaiba ngayon nila, dito ngayon ay minus ang nakalagay. So, minus dito, minus dyan, at plus naman sa gitna. So, maganda i-ready nyo na kaagad, minus, plus, plus. Naka-ready na yung parenthesis nyo. So, again, get the cube root of each term. What is the cube root of x cube again? Alam na natin yon. That is x, that is the a. And then the cube root of y cube, and that is y. So, ayan, ilalagay nyo na dito ngayon. Same thing a while ago. Ang pagkakaiba lang nila ay yung sign. And then x squared, square lang natin yung a. At dito, multiply lang natin silang dalawa. And then, we have xy. And then, square lang natin yung b. Sinusundan lang natin yung pattern na yan. Now, ayan na ngayon ang factored form. Next, how about this one? So, kagaya kanina, binago ko lang naman ang sign. So, ano yung cube root natin? Ng x cube, x. And then, what is the cube root of 8? That is 2. So, ayan na yung a and b natin. So, the answer now is x cubed minus 8 is equal to the quantity x minus 2 times the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 4. Okay, you want to try this one? So what is the cube root of 27a cubed? That is 3a. What is the cube root of 64b cubed? And that is 4b. So what is now the factored form of 27a cubed minus 64b cubed is equal to quantity 3a minus 4b times the quantity 9a squared plus 12ab plus 16b squared. Sundin lang natin yon. So kanina, ito rin yung mga example kanina binigay ko, maliban na lang, nagbago lang ng sign. Kanina, sum, this time difference. So minus. Sa sign lang sila nagkaiba. Okay, so this one, we have 6x, the value of b is 3y, and therefore, the factored form is 6x minus 3y, just a minus b. Then 36x squared, squared a, 6 times 6, 36x squared. ab means times a and b times only, so 6 times 3, that is 18xy. And then square the b, square 3y, and that is 9y squared. Okay, so now, if you want to do this one, pwede mo i-try para matest mo yung ability mo kung naintindihan mo, or pag hindi, pwede ka mag-rewatch ng video. So here's the answer. Did you get it right? Congratulations! And for those na hindi pa nakakuha ng perfect score, panoorin nyo uli para masanay kayo. That's all for today, and thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.